In just 3 days, HMD Global will take the reps of a new X series device in China. Earlier today, we found out this would be called Nokia X6, a name previously worn by a Symbian-powered device back in 2009. Now the first official looking press render of the new Nokia X6 has been added in China. And by looking at them, you have certainly noticed that it is wearing a threaded notch on the front. There's still a chin too, although it is rather small, at least compared to what other Android OEMs have done. The Nokia logo on the front usually sits in the right part of the top screen bezel, but had to be moved to the chin this time around, as there really isn't a bezel where it used to be. On the back, the X6 resembles the recently unveiled Nokia 7 Plus with its copper accent and dual rear camera placement. The only notable difference between the two is that the X6 has its LED flash array in between the cameras and the fingerprint scanner, whereas it's to the right of the camera island in the 7 Plus. Nokia's first notch touchscreen will be 5.8 inch in size and have 19:9 aspect ratio. The entry-level model will be powered by the MediaTek Helio P60 chipset, paired with 4GB of RAM, while a slightly more expensive iteration will swap those out for a Snapdragon 636 and 6GB of memory. The Nokia X6 will run Android Oreo from day one and will start in China at around $250.